guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. Today I'm sharing another project with you all, and it is this jewelry box. And of course I bought this box, it's a wooden box. So let me open it up for you. It has a mirror, as you can see, and a removable part, as it were, so there you go. I left it blank because I was afraid if I would paint it that this would not fit perhaps as well anymore. So yeah, so what I'm going to show you today is how I made this, how I altered it I should say. And well, I have shown you these how to alter videos before, and each time I show you a different aspect. So I have done the measuring, so how do you measure these pieces of paper that they fit exactly to this box. I showed you that before, so check out that video. I will link it at the end of this video and also in the description. So you can check that out as a free video tutorial. And I think I showed you some more how-to videos, I forgot which ones, but I will also link my how-to playlist at the end of this video. And today I'm showing you the actual altering, so the matting that I did and the decorating that I did. So I hope you enjoyed that. So if you combine all of these videos, I guess you have the entire how to alter a box series, as it were. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. The paper that I use for this box here is one sheet of 12 by 12 inch paper, so that is also a one sheet project. I always like to show you those. And this is an older Prima collection. This is Pastiche by Prima Marketing, and the sheet, I think I have to check that. The sheet is called Seaside, and it has these minty colors and also some browns, as you can see here, and then some flowery theme. But I like that with this size of box, and let me quickly measure that for you. So that is 12 centimeters by 15 centimeters, so I will put the inches below. So that with this size of box that I just mentioned, you can alter it with only one sheet of 12 by 12 inch paper, which I always like because, you know, I'm frugal like that, and I always like, especially if you found a beautiful sheet of paper, to use it all up. So I hardly had any scraps left over. So let's go with the tutorial. So you start off with painting the box, especially the borders, and of course you have to use a double-sided sheet of paper, cut everything to size, and do some fussy cutting as well if you get the chance. There are always some parts of the pattern that are suitable for that, and you can use them for decoration later on in the tutorial. I also always ink around the edges of everything. That is my taste. You don't have to, of course. Then measure where the holes of your screws are placed and write it down. Then glue down the mats that you cut, and I always use wet glue, but you could use adhesive tape, of course. So glue it down, and then take your measurements again and punch the holes, because you do need to add the closures, of course, later on with the screws. Same for the back. What you just saw was the front, this is the back, so again with the holes. And well, so mat all around it and the bottom as well. And as for the top, again, do the sides at least, and then add the closure pieces and the hinges. And make sure to fit the lid of your box exactly flush to the bottom half before you screw everything down. And here's the front again. Close it up to make sure everything fits. Now for the top mat of the lid, do your stamping first if that is what you want to do. Especially if you want to add some decorative brads as well, which you see me doing here. So stamp first, then add the brads. There you go. And when you use brads, I always use some adhesive tape to get a good stick around the brads. Now, the fussy cutting that I did, You see me cutting it in half here, well not exactly in half, but I want to cover both the lid and the bottom half of the box, so that when you open the box, part of the fussy cut piece will continue on. So you see me do that here, so the top half of the bird on the lid and the bottom half of the bird on the bottom half of the box. Same goes for the second piece of fussy cut figure that I did, the butterfly. And you see me do some extra stamping here, because I thought I needed some more stamps. And then I found a 3D sticker, a butterfly, that matched the colors of the pattern. So yeah, that was a very quick tutorial. I sped it up, as you noticed, because, you know, it's about the technique. You don't have to watch me hours and hours of fussy cutting, etc. So I hope you like this project. I hope you like the idea. I like the idea of a jewelry box because it's a very nice gift. You could, of course, paint it or use perhaps some inking to color it up if you want. Ink, I think, is thinner, so you will be able to remove this part from your box. But I kept it plain, as you can see. So this is a gift for my mom, so I hope she likes it. And if you like this video and if you like this project and the way I did the tutorial, press the thumbs up and do a thumbs down if you hate altered boxes, if you hate tutorials, and if you don't want to ever see one again. Thumbs down. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section, and I will see you next week with another project. Bye bye!